Okay, so I've been working on this truck box. It goes in my camper shell behind me. You can see the baby car seats behind me. But in my truck, my topper, I wanted to build a bed so when I go on campouts and some of these events, I'll have something to sleep on if I don't want to take a tent. You know, like, if I'm, need to get out of there quicker or something, I just always wanted to build one of these. And I've seen them all the time on Facebook and everything, and people posting them. So I built me one. And I put a picture on Instagram the other day, but we're gonna go down to the lake and slide it out and cook on it today. And I wanna show y'all, but I'm gonna have to get my backpack out of the building. So we're gonna go in my old building here. And turn the light on. Man, this thing is a mess. Look at that. But anyway, let's get my pack. I keep it hanging right here. And I may not need it, but I want to carry it because I think I got everything in the truck. But we're gonna see. We're gonna turn the light out here. It's hard to hold the camera and do all this. Can't believe I run a good lantern right there to make a outside light. But anyway, so we're gonna put this in the truck. So I'll show it to y'all better when we get down there, but I made me a mattress. This is an old sleeping bag liner, and you can see where I stitched it. I put it on there and stitched the back of it so it would stay on there. But we'll set this on there right now. Just to go down to the lake, and just to go down the lake, and we're gonna cook some dinner. Man, it was 27 this morning, but this ended up being a beautiful day today. So let's go down to the lake. This morning I had to go get gravel to put in potholes in my driveway. There's still a lot of mud and stuff, but the main potholes where I'm driving is gone now. So anyway, it don't look that much better, but it sure does drive better. All right, we're gonna pull right over here somewhere, and we're gonna cook. It's not too mushy. So I think I want to turn around the other way though. Anyway, let's get situated. Here we go. Let's set this over here. I take this box out when I camp, but hope y'all can see. But anyway, I built it where it's got this drawer, and this is the cook. I got these boards so I can pick it up and get it more level. I think I'm gonna put me a level, like mount it right here so I can tell if it's level or not. But I put carpet around it, and then I built the frame out of I think that's 1/2 inch plywood. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, 3/8. But and then I ended up using 3/8 across there. I thought it was going to be too weak, but I was trying to keep it as light as I could so that way I can take it in and out of the truck. And I got a strap back there on the back. It goes across it just to keep this right here from making it raise up, in the back. But anyway, but we're gonna cook, and I'm gonna set the camera up, and we're gonna have fun. But this is it. This right here is all storage. This is my, that's what my food and stuff to wash with, and then of course the stove. And then I cut this out right here so that I can cook. But I may end up putting this down so that y'all can see a little bit better. But anyway, let's set the camera. Okay. So I got food, got plenty of food. I have to get y'all up here closer, but this is it. I'm gonna take this board. I got these extra boards so I can pick it up. Like slide these under to make it more level. And then also, I hope y'all can see this, there's a table, look, right here. And I'm gonna build a stop to go under that, but that's pretty cool too. So I also got an extra table. But I'm gonna figure out how to put like an adjustable pole to go under the end of this. But it comes on out a good ways. I don't think I got a stop on it. Let's see. I can't see it, but no, it comes all the way. I need to put a stop in there, but it's gonna be plenty long enough, and then I can put all my stuff on it. Put food on it, and I can take and turn my stove up. I need to get y'all right here so y'all can see, but let's do that. Okay, so here's the table. Just slid out, put my food on it, start getting my stove ready. I'll move y'all up. Get my gas bottle. And I got my little cook kit. I got my one-person stove too that I can use. The only time I ever use these is when I'm truck camping, because I always use my little bottles. But all right, we got that set up now. Let me get y'all right here so y'all can see this. Okay. I almost hate to put this up because y'all ain't gonna be able to see. This is gonna be a pretty good windbreaker, so I want y'all to be able to see me cooking. Alright, so we're gonna get my skillet, get my skillet Carolina Chris give me off my backpack. I think I got another skillet in there, but I need to put one in there if I don't. Man, it was 27 at wind, still chilly this morning, even now. There's my skillet. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can. I'm gonna light this in a minute, but this little setup's pretty good. I think I'm gonna enjoy it a lot. I got paper plates. Here's my coffee percolator. Toilet paper. I could actually come out a little further. Let me move this back. Yeah, to come out a lot further. Put my board back up under there. There we go. That's pretty long, isn't it? Look how long this thing is. Got a lot of length for cooking, don't I? Anyway, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. But I got all my cooking gear back there. And I got my big skillet. I got my big skillet in there, so I didn't have to use my Carolina Chris skillet. So we'll move you back up. Hoping I'm not making y'all dizzy, moving y'all around like this. Anyway, so see what we got to cook. Oh, it's all in here. got coffee. I got bannock. I got Polish sausage. Let's go ahead and get the bannock going. I guess I need to get my cook kit out of here because I need my oil. My oil's froze. It always does that. Let's go ahead and start some coffee since the oil's, let that oil be thawing out a little bit. All right, coffee. Should have just used my big skillet. This is a McDonald's type coffee, but I got my creek camper emblem on the front of it. I like this little bitty percolator. Alright, let's light this thing up. I think it's going. Oh yeah. Can't even see it. Okay, we got one going. We can cook on this other side with the 2 burner like this. I didn't think about that. Leave you over here so you can see. I don't want to get y'all too close, but I don't want to get you where you can't see what's going on either. Anyway, what do y'all think about my truck box with the table and everything? Got my little trusty neck knife. Cooked some Polish sausages. Woo, that wind, I may have to put that cover on it. Uh-oh, put the lid on there. We'll go and just cut some of these up in here. Pretty good. I won't even have to cook all those. I guess we could cook the bannock. I always do this first. Let's just set these up here and put the bannock on. Well, we may not make bannock because I got a wrap to put this in. We'll see. I can't make up my mind what I want to make today. Okay, I got this one going. See if we can thaw this out some without melting the... I got a little bit out. I got some peppers. I'm gonna end up just using this as a cutting board. Just so happen I got a cutting board though. Had to do this for Reuben, my adventure food guy buddy. Had to have some color in my food. Ooh, these red ones look good. And I got jalapenos too. And I got a wrap. So we're just gonna make us a burrito. Not a burrito, but a tortilla. I got mashed potatoes. I got all kind of stuff. I probably end up not cooking it all, but my spatula. When I get the a brace for my table, I'll probably do a little more cutting on it. Jalapenos. You know what? I don't know if I can do it without bannock bread, so we may have to just put this over here, make bannock. That wind's kind of rough. Cheese on there. It's good. It gets all over my skillet, but it's good. You know, go ahead and heat this up. Tortilla. Do 2 of them. I'm gonna set this up here. Taking that coffee a while. Okay. Just set that in there like that. Set that on top of it. Probably don't need no bread, but let's go ahead and make some. Although I'm eating a tortilla, you know I gotta have bread. See that salt and pepper and all in there? Uh-oh, coffee's perking. Got everything going at one time here. That's gonna be good. Got my cut. Look at that. Look how brown that is. I like it a little bit almost burnt. Put a little oil in there. It's still a little thick, the oil is. Whoop. I love this spatula, it's thicker. Ooh, that coffee's gonna be good. See how thick it is. See how black it is. Look at there. Probably could have perked longer, but that's gonna be good. Look at there. Woo hoo 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 hoo. Hoo 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 hoo. Ah. This is fun. If y'all ain't never tried this bread, I know everybody asks, and I know I keep talking about it, but it's salt, pepper, self-rising flour, and you just add the water till you get it to that consistency to where you can handle it, and it's good. And then when you fry it, I mean, I don't know how it does it, but it's just like regular bread. I need some Texas, I need some hot sauce. I ain't gonna forget it today. Look, Texas Pete. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, hey, hey. Getting close, getting close. I want to roll this up and take a bite out of it. Let me give thanks. Let's roll this up. Tell you what, let's do. We got enough there for two, so let's pick this one up. Man, I am starving. I hadn't eaten. I took all that, put all that gravel on the driveway. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, let me turn that off. Got too much going on here. Perfect. This is gonna be delicious. Yeah. Next time we'll come down here, we're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna cook some fish. Oh man, that's good. I ain't used to cooking, having all this room. Man, y'all missing out. A little more Texas Pete on there. Of course, I got jalapenos. Woo! My mouth's on fire. Man, this is good. I'm gonna enjoy this this thing, the way it's set up. I love it. It didn't take me about. I went and bought 2 sheets of plywood and built it, but I didn't quite have enough to do the top the way I wanted it, so I ended up having to go. So it actually took 3 sheets of plywood, because it's almost like building 2 of the beds, because you got an insert here, you know. And then I had enough extra wood. I was able to put a false bottom in this so that I could put that table sliding out right here. Oh, that coffee's delicious. The bread. Watch this. Look at that. I mean, hey. That stuff's delicious. Put some hot sauce on it, on my bread. Oh, woo. Man, that's good. I got extra food. I may go down to the creek this afternoon, later this afternoon, and cook again. I got plenty of coffee too. Thanks for being down here with me. I'm gonna clean up and get all my stuff cleaned up, and I already had my quiet time this morning before I started work. It's Friday, so I think I'm gonna put this back on a grinder and grind a little bit more off, see if I can't get a better edge. That's a pretty good edge though now. Anyway, I hope y'all like this. Y'all be seeing me use this a lot more. This is just an old box I got in there, but this is the mattress that I used to use when I went camping, but I put a sleeping bag liner over it, and then you can see I stitched it down here at the end so it would, you know, to cover it. I guess you could buy a mattress, but then it's got carpet. This is some carpet. We got carpet put in our house about 3 years ago, and I had a row with about, I don't know, 10 foot or so, and I took it down to my building and just put it up because it was extra. You know, I put it around it. That boat carpet now, boat or car carpet would probably be better because it's a lot thinner. But I got a good staple gun and put it in there. It ain't going nowhere, and it's nice. It ain't real fluffy, but I like it. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. But thanks for being down here. I'm gonna clean up, and I'll let y'all see me kind of clean up, and it'll probably go fast. But remember what I always say: keep God first. Street Camper out.